Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drawn Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video for all of you, and today we're going to be talking about what's next for DJI. We've seen a couple of releases here in the past few months, with one of the most recent ones being the DJI Neo. However, there's still a lot more to come before the year ends with DJI, and in today's video we're gonna go ahead and talk about those products and what could we expect to see before the end of 2024. But before we get started with today's episode, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI products, you already know this is the place to come for all the latest updates and news. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and dive right into today's episode, which will be quite exciting. And that is because that's right, we're getting towards the end of the year, and that's probably one of the most exciting parts of the year for DJI, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about what's coming next. So let's go ahead and get started. The next DJI product that we're gonna be seeing released will be the DJI Air 3S. When will it come out? Most likely towards mid-October. We're hearing possibly October the 15th. I'm just throwing that out there. It's not set in stone. However, things could change, but definitely October will be the month of the DJI Air 3S. Now, could we expect to see anything else before the end of the year? Absolutely. We are also expecting to see the DJI Mini 5 launch before the end of the year, possibly towards November, right before the holiday season. As we know, that's one of the most strongest parts of the year for DJI when it comes to sales. So I think launching a Mini 5 right before the holidays will be a rather smart business move. And let's talk about the elephant in the room, the DJI Mavic 4. Will it come out before the end of the year, or will it be pushed back to 2025? So here's what I can tell you right now. There's not a lot of stuff to base ourselves off, but we do have some solid foundations that I can tell you right now. So the Mavic 4, it's getting finalized. The thing here is, supposedly the original scheduled date to be released was mid-2025. This means June, July of next year. However, due to the amount of recent leaks that we've seen so far on the Mavic 4, I would dare to say there's a slight possibility we could see the Mavic 4 before the end of the year. That would be a big surprise. However, I'm not trying to get you guys too excited. What I can tell you right now for sure is mid-2025, that's for sure. If it comes before, that's a win for all of us. But that is a little bit of what's coming next for DJI. A lot of exciting products, at least if you ask me. Probably the best three in DJI's lineup: the Air lineup, the Mini, and the Mavic. So what else could we ask for, right? So that's what we've got so far coming in the next few weeks and months. If you want to keep up to date with the latest updates, you already know what to do. Subscribe and turn on those post notifications. But that's gonna be it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drawn Emotion, signing out.